Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Black Ops 6 crashing error code 0x00001338. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and then in this drive list you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After selecting the drive, you just need to select custom size. Now you just need to find how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. In my case I have 16 GB of RAM. After knowing that, just close stuff here. Now check my video description for these values used in my video. Just to copy the value depends on your RAM. This is installer size and maximum size. Just to copy the value depends on your RAM and paste it in installer size, and the same thing, maximum size, copy the value and paste it in the maximum size. After that, you just need to select the set option. Now under paging file size, the value should be listed over here guys. After that, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, and now you will be get a pop-up to restart your PC. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, open up File Explorer, go to Documents, go to Call of Duty, right click on the players folder, select delete it, and now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to open up Xbox, select the Black Ops 6 and select the 3 dot icon next to it and select manage. Select create desktop shortcut. After selecting that, just close stuff here. Now right click on the Black Ops 6 on the desktop shortcut and select run as administrator and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience to update your driver. For AMD users, use the Radeon software to update your driver. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here and now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5, lower in-game graphics settings. If your system struggles with certain settings, lowering them can prevent crashes. To do this, open up Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and go to settings and go to graphics. Lower demanding settings like textures, shadows, ray tracing and anti-aliasing. After lowering these options, you just need to restart the game and check if the error persists or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6 is to disable third-party programs. Third-party software such as performance monitoring tools like MSI Afterburner, Rivet Tuner or antivirus program can interfere with the game guys. So temporarily disable programs like MSI Afterburner, Rivet Tuner or antivirus, and then try launching the game again and see if crash stops or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.